fact, imagine that stash box you had in the back was on the dashboard. When the cops caught you leaving that trap and you grabbed for it. That's how niggas will crash for me. Fast forward to the passports and bags on me. Not swerving from the task force without the tags on it. Give you a crash course on how to take a jet from the Jag, homie. My past thoughts was mixed with sex and the gas and the flash on me, did a dash on them. Strippers only hit for us, we throwing cash on them. All this shit hit for us, we need the trash for them. Nigga, if you want for the love, then I'll probably pass on it. Shit be getting weird, I done ran through like 50 pairs of courses. Didn't care, I'm thoughtless, I couldn't share that I'm heartless. I wasn't prepared for them office after playing dead in them apartments. I didn't care what it was costing, caution, I could take the shares of my portion. Shit to get haunted, try to stay clear of them corpses. Used to be really pompous with no compass, trying to be the man in my conference, nigga.
Hello, it's Gina.
Hey yo, we dropped shit just in time for when that weather changed. By the time we heard it, niggas was on to better things. Even on the side we working, putting cheddar stains on the thigh sheets working. We was never the same, I'm certain. We was never the same, nigga. I still get it popping outside. I slide up like dominoes, but like dominoes, niggas be dropping outside. It took me to find a post to see what niggas be rocking outside. I'm outside with my folks, right or wrong. You ain't like the song, the night goes on. Hold on, let me see if this mic is on for like Michael Hearn, nigga.
Hello, it's Gina.
Bitch.